I did a monologue a few days ago about a bird watching contest that was coming to Texas, and we had a little bit of fun. I said that maybe it wasn't the most interesting sport out there, and a lady named Bird Chick on Twitter took great offense.
I wonder why someone named Bird Chick would have a problem with that.
She, needless to say, it was her pet issue, and she's like a park ranger in Minnesota. And she was like, oh, geez, I haven't been hearing these jokes for 40 years. Nice job, chop.
Oh, chop.
Hashtag chop.
Can we say
that in my
chop?
life.
Yeah, I haven't either. But my followers loved it and immediately sided with her. But I thought it made me reevaluate. Maybe she's got a point. So we put our intern Mario out on the roof to do a little bird watching. Let's go check in with him, see how it's going. Your move, Bird Chick. He's asleep because it's boring. It's boring. It's not a sport. It's invading animals' privacy.
Do you think she's Bird Chick on all social media platforms like Tinder and Instagram? It's just pictures of like her, like selfies of her with birds.